Good morning, everybody. I welcome everybody to this lecture series on planetary science. This lecture series has been planned by the physics department of Wilson College in association with the Indian Association of Physics Teachers. Uh, to this end, the main aim of the DBT STAR scheme is to strengthen science at the undergraduate level in colleges in and around the country. Therefore, uh, under this scheme, we have planned lecture series and various sets of subjects in physics. We are planning this lecture series on planetary science. Uh, we have got large number of participants who have registered. I hope that all the participants will find this lecture series uh, very interesting because we have got a wide range of speakers, wide diverse range of speakers on the topic who are professionals in their fields. Today, we begin this session from with our very first speaker. Uh, in this regard, I would like to welcome all our office bearers of the IAPT and Wilson College. Namely, I would like to welcome Dr. Aluwalia, who is the IAPT president. I would like to welcome Dr. Radhika Birmole, who is standing in for our principal and is our IQSC coordinator. All my colleagues from the physics department, all my friends in the IAPT, and all you dear participants. It's very nice to see so many of you all here. I hope this lecture series proves to be fruitful learning experience to all of you. Uh, we have planned many different things. We would like all of you all, not only this lecture series to be a one-way talk. We would like a lot of questions from you all. We would like you all to share your experiences with us, and we will tell you how you all can share your experiences with us. Now, with this small welcome speech, I hand over the mic to Professor Mahesh Shetty. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Michael. Good morning, everyone, and happy winter solstice to everyone. I am Mahesh Shetty, Assistant Professor in Physics Department, Wilson College, and coordinator for this lecture series. From Wilson College Physics Department is organizing this series, as Professor Michael D'Souza said, in collaboration with Indian Association of Physics Teachers, Mumbai Sub-Regional Council. So on behalf of all, I would also like to mention with Professor Ahluwalia, Dr. K.G. Bhore, who is Secretary, Mumbai Sub-Regional Council, Dr. Shamala Bodhane, who is Treasurer, Mumbai Sub-Regional Council, Radhika Madam, our IQSC coordinator, and all Professor A.M. Shekhar, who is Vice President of Maharashtra IAPT Regional Council, and all dear participants. The theme of this series is planetary science, Earth being a planet. We know it better, and there have been specially developed branches like geology, geophysics, geomagnetism. With dedicated lunar missions over 50 years and dedicated Mars mission series over last 25 years, our knowledge sphere has expanded. The Mars is in fact the only planet which is completely inhabited by robots and by and there have been special missions like Juno to study Jupiter, Cassini to study Saturn, even Huygens probe to study the Titan satellite of Saturn. And now there have been more than 5,000 exoplanets detected around various other stars. The development in spectroscopy and sensitive instruments now helps us to know about the chemical compositions from distance, not only simple molecules, but also complex biomolecules can now be detected through the spectra. As Feynman once said, the most important discovery of our species throughout the history can be put in one sentence, and that is all matter is made up of atoms. And we know the full periodic table without any gaps, indicating that there is no possibility of some kind of aliens made up of any different kind of atoms that we do not know. All this has created an exciting branch of planetary science. As a small beginning, we have designed this lecture series of 12 lectures. Our resource persons are right from very senior professors in university to very young researchers, and even some who do serious research, but not as a profession, but what we now call citizen science. We hope all our participants will learn from these experts in the field something new in every session, and our young participants will have new areas to explore while thinking of building their career. Uh, I also give some instructions here. There are those who have not registered, please register through Google Form. Technical host, Mr. Shubham Maurya, who is a teacher and physics department, will put up the link in the chat for that. Every day, one Zoom link will be shared, and it will be used for all 3 lectures which are planned on that particular day. All requested to fill the feedback form at the end of the lecture. The link will be uploaded on that chat. Do fill that. It will help us in organizing more such programs in better way. And if you have any questions, please put those in the chat. If resource person agrees, we shall allow you to unmute yourself, ask directly, and the questions may be taken as they come or at the end, depending on what resource person prefers. So with this, I request our IQSC coordinator on behalf of our principal for the inaugural speech.
Good morning, everyone. I am thankful to Department of Physics, Wilson College, and Indian Association of Physics Teachers for giving me this opportunity, where I'm actually talking or standing in front of you on behalf of Wilson College. Like I'm privileged for me to come and come an inaugural speech with you all. Though my knowledge about the theme is not that great, but I think with the speakers, if I attend that, I may be able to gain more about this particular theme. So thank you very much, everyone, for giving this opportunity. Planetary science is an upcoming field in applied sciences. Various countries like India, China, US, Japan, and European conglomeration have been exploring the moon and various other planets. Recently, we all saw the success of Chandrayaan-3 with the successful landing of Pragyan rover and also the successful return of the propulsion module from moon back to the Earth. This has created new excitement among students, and many may think of making a career related to planetary science. India has already sent a successful mission to Mars, the Mangalyaan, and also the Aditya mission to study the sun. It is planning to launch mission to study the Venus in near future. We at Wilson College have a regular astronomy course, and apart from developing a hobby in astronomy, some students are pursuing higher studies in astronomy. And I feel to encourage undergraduate students to take up careers in this upcoming field, we hope this lecture series will be an important step. Now, with these few words, I wish everyone who is attending this series of lectures on planetary science to have enjoyable and happy experience. And thank you so much for making it to this session. Over to you, Mahesh sir.
Thank you, madam, for your encouraging words. I request now Professor Ahluwalia to address the gathering, and then I will
Hello.
request.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you very much. I'll just take 2 seconds to come back. So very good morning once again, and I'm very happy to be part of this initiative of Wilson College. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for encouraging these things in your college. And IAPT is always looking forward to such collaborations. Professor Shetty, you always bring very innovative programs. Thanks to Mumbai Savarsi that they are doing some exemplary work. As far as this particular program is concerned, I am happy to say that this area is something which attracts everybody, right from schools to colleges to universities and even lay people. And it is natural also because as soon as we try to feel nature around us, sky is one of the biggest attraction, whether it is during day or at night. But at night, it becomes very, very glamorous with such beautiful things happening around, with constellations rising and setting, with planets, creating some magical things around us. Even our own planet and its satellite is so fascinating. And I was seeing the program. You have really brought in a very good set of experts to speak on various topics. Let me tell you one thing more from my experience. You go to a school, ask this question: what would you like to do in future from young minds? And they will always say, I want to do something in astronomy. I want to watch sky. I want to learn more about not only Earth and its satellite, but beyond that also. And bringing in exoplanets in this particular program is just wonderful. I was seeing that one of the speakers is going to talk upon a very interesting topic of atmospheres on planets. I think I'm looking forward to these talks. Congratulations once again, and I hope that people are going to enjoy each and everything, not only among the participants of this program, but beyond that also. Look forward to a great time to each one of you, dear participants. And thank you, Professor Mahesh Shetty and the office bearers of the Mumbai Sub-RC to do something very great. You are using DBT for this particular program, and congratulations for being the star college of DBT itself. Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your encouraging words. I request Dr. K.G. Bhole, who was Secretary of Mumbai Sub-Regional Council, to talk about IAPT and IAPT activities of Mumbai Sub-Regional Council.
Good morning, all. At the outset, let me congratulate Wilson College and being associated with IAPT for organizing such a lecture series. It is always a yearly program. Some program is always there in Wilson College, and this year it is starting with the first ever winter school, and then by the Mumbai Regional Sub-Regional Council. Friends, IAPT is a grassroots level organization which is meant for uplifting and improving the physics education at all the levels of the society. It has around 12,000 members, life members, and most of the members are from the teachers, students, scientists, and not only from India, but even some of them are from outside India also. Mumbai's Sub-regional council is one of the regional council. The sub-regional council is for administrative purposes like such regional council. There are 22 other regional councils, and IAPT conducts variety of programs, seminars, conferences, as well as it also has a program about the examination at national levels. NSC is one of that, and most of these examinations are not with the conventional questions papers or questions, but something which requires student to think and respond. And this, if you excel in this examination, you are allowed to go for the international and national as well as international Olympiads. It's not only the examinations which conducts at junior college level or secondary level as well as the postgraduate level, but it also conducts the competitions for students at all levels. The competitions may be essay writing competition, maybe innovative experiment competition, or computerized experiments competitions, and so on. There are so many competitions. I request all of you to visit the website indapt.org.in for more details about IAPT. IAPT is an organization which has the resources, and being a resourceful organization, it is the ultimately you and other sections of the society we should take advantage of this. We do this work on voluntary basis. We don't charge for this, and that is why as on today, the IAPT must have reached now at the grassroots level, up to the secondary level as well as up to the primary level. Now we are running. It's not only that, we also do take reactions about the syllabus framing and all other things. With the advent of this new NAP 2020, again we have taken a lot of initiative for improvement of physics syllabus, as well as there are certain suggestions which we have given for NCERT and so on. Friends, I welcome you all on behalf of IAPT Sub-Regional Council Mumbai, and I hope this type of school or lecture series will be helpful to all of you. We do conduct at the Mumbai regional level, we do conduct regional competitions for essay writing and innovative experiments. We do have summer school as well as winter school from this year onward. So both the schools will be there, where the students from FY, SY, and postgraduate also they can take part, they can participate in these summer schools. And not only that, but even they can interact with the resource persons of science field at various workshops and seminars. With this, I thank again the Wilson College for giving this opportunity to IAPT SRC 08 for having this winter school. Thank you all.